Hello guys, in this video I am going to teach you trigonometric equations. First of all, you need to memorize fundamental equations of trigonometry. Reaction number 1 is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. And you know sine theta divided by cos theta equals tan theta. Also you know cosec theta equals 1 divided by sine theta. Furthermore, sec theta equal 1 divided by cos theta. Now we need to consider about CD equations of sine and cos. I will show you guys. Sine A plus B equals sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Also sine A minus B equals sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. When you consider about cos A plus B equation, that is equal to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Cos A minus B equation equals to cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Now I will show you guys how to obtain the equation of sine 2 theta and cos 2 theta and tan 2 theta. Now we are going to take the equations for sine 2 theta, cos 2 theta and tan 2 theta. First of all, we need to consider about sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta can be written like this: sine theta plus theta, and that should be equal to sine theta cos theta plus sine theta and cos theta. Then we know both these two expressions are equal, then we can have the addition of this equation, that is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. Next we have to consider about cos 2 theta equation. Let's move on. Cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta equals cos theta plus theta according to the CD equations. Then this thing can be written like this: cos theta cos theta minus sine theta and sine theta. Then we can simplify this expression like this: cos square power theta minus sine square power theta This is the expression for cos 2 theta. Let's move on tan 2 theta. Now consider about tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta equals sine 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta. According to our previous expressions, we can write down sine 2 theta like this: 2 sine theta and cos theta. Then cos 2 theta can be written cos square theta minus sine square power theta. Then we need to divide both the denominator and numerator from now we need to divide the denominator and numerator from cos square theta like this. Divided by cos square theta and cos square theta divided by cos square theta and sine square theta divided by cos square theta. We can eliminate cos square theta to cos square theta, and we can eliminate one cos theta from this one. Now we have tan 2 theta equals 2 sine theta divided by cos theta, and the above part is totally divided by 1 minus sine square theta and cos square theta. Then we can simplify this expression to the 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. This is the expression for tan 2 theta.